Good morning. You are welcome to the 2025 Goal Regional Championship. Today, we bring you the first contest from the Eastern region, and it features Akro Senior High Technical Koforidua SHTS. Yilo Krobo Senior High School. And Kwahu Tafo Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Akro Senior High Technical School is represented by
Abankwa Mreku Gerald.
Tata Isaac Kofi Newton.
Koforidua SHTS is represented by
Ame Samuel Junior Sedem.
Danso Osegibro.
Yilo Krobo Senior High School is represented by
Nati Davis Tete. Oakley Pius Nati.
And then finally we have Kwahu Tafo Senior High School. They are represented by
Ousu Kelvin Ejiri. Kwache Samuel.
The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC with support from MTN Momo and Joy News. We'd also like to acknowledge the support from CHAS in preparing these students to participate in the competition. My name is Dr. Thelma Hineji, a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. This is a Primetime production. Okay, so to our competing schools, we'll have this championship contest in 4 rounds. We'll start in round 1. Here I would ask you a series of questions that will test your knowledge of concepts in mathematics, biology, chemistry, and physics. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to provide an answer. If there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds. And your answer should be in 1 attempt. If you answer a question correctly, you earn 3 points. An incorrect answer makes that question available for any of the 3 schools. The first to ring their bell can answer. If they answer correctly, they earn a point. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start with Akro Senior High Technical School. And the contest starts with a preamble to all schools. Find the value of a natural number n such that find the value of a natural number n such that Akro 132 to the base n equals 182. One 132 base n equals 182. Yes, a bonus to Koforidua SHTS. Yes, that's correct. Koforidua. 145 to the base n. 145 to the base n equals 101. Yes, n is 8. Yilo Krobo 173. 173 base n equals 201.
N is equal to 11.
Yes, n is 11. Kwahu Tafo 157 base n equals 307.
N is 15.
Yes, n equals 15. A preamble. A thin converging lens has focal length of magnitude 20.0 centimeters. Find the image to lens distance and state the nature of the image for the given object distance. I'll take it again. A thin converging lens has focal length of magnitude 20.0 centimeters. Find the image to lens distance and also state the nature of the image for the given object distance. Akro 5.0 centimeters.
The image to lens distance is 6.7 centimeters, and the image is real.
2 out of 3. Koforidua 6.0 centimeters. Yes.
And it is virtual.
Yes, that's correct. Yilo Krobo 22 centimeters. Go ahead.
The image distance is 220 centimeters and it is real. That's the image is real.
That's correct. Kwahu Tafo 14 centimeters. A bonus to Yilo Krobo.
The image distance is 47 centimeters, and the image is virtual.
That's correct. A preamble. I want each school to give me one answer, different from what has already been given. Give one type of isolation in species that occurs before mating. One type of isolation in species that occurs before mating. Akro.
Hibernation.
No. Koforidua.
Rural isolation.
Yes, I'll take that. Yilo Krobo.
Structural isolation.
No.
Reproductive isolation.
No. I'll allow a bonus. Does any school want to take a bonus? Okay. So we have geographical isolation, temporal isolation, behavioral, and mechanical isolation. A preamble. Predict. Predict the molecular geometry of the given molecule based on their electron pairs. So predict the molecular geometry of the given molecule based on their electron pairs. Akro. 4 bonding electron pairs and 0 non-bonding pairs.
Tetrahedral.
Yes, that's correct. Koforidua. 2 bonding electron pairs and 0 non-bonding pairs.
Linear.
Yes, it's linear. Yilo Krobo. 2 bonding electron pairs and 1 non-bonding pair.
Bent.
Yes, it's correct. Kwahu Tafo. 3 bonding electron pairs and 1 non-bonding pair.
Trigonal bipyramidal.
No. Yes, Yilo Krobo.
Trigonal pyramidal.
Yes, trigonal pyramid. A preamble. Find the equation of the curve with gradient dy dx and passing through the point A given. Find the equation of the curve with gradient dy dx and passing through the point A given that Akro dy dx equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 5, and point A has coordinates 1, 10. Go ahead.
Y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 7.
Yes, that's correct. Koforidua Sectec. Dy dx equals 6x squared plus 4x minus 6. And the coordinates of point A are negative 1, 9.
So y is equal to 2s cubed plus 2s squared minus 6x plus 3.
That's correct. Yilo Krobo, dy dx equals 9x squared minus 12x plus 6, and a has coordinates 1, 8.
Three x cubed minus 6x squared plus 6x plus 5.
That's correct. Kwahu Tafo, dy dx equals 6x squared minus 8x plus 7, and a has coordinates minus 1, 12. Go ahead. If it's your main question, you don't need to wait for me to call you.
Y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x plus 17.
No. A bonus to Koforidua.
Y is equal to 2s cubed minus 4s squared plus 7x plus 25.
Yes, that's correct. An ideal Atwood machine has weights W1 and W2 at the ends of the machine's inextensible string. This is a preamble to all schools. An ideal Atwood machine has weights W1 and W2 at the ends of the machine's inextensible string. Find the tension in the string for the given values of W1 and W2. Akro, W1 is 6.0 newtons and W2 is 9.0 newtons.
Three 0.6 Newton.
No. Yilo Krobo.
7.2 newtons.
Yes, it's 7.2. Koforidua. W1 is 8.0 newtons and W2 is 12 newtons. Yes, that's correct. 9.6 newtons. Yilo Krobo. W1 is 18 newtons and W2 is 32 newtons. Yes, go ahead.
23 newtons.
Yes, that's correct. Kwahu Tafo, W1 is 7.0 newtons and W2 is 23 newtons.
We have 1.7 by 10 raised to the power 1 Newton.
No. Yes, Koforidua.
11 Newton.
Yes, it's 11 newtons. A preamble. Name the enzyme responsible for the given reaction. I'll give you a reaction and you should tell me which enzyme catalyzes this reaction. Akro, protein plus water giving peptides.
Peptidase.
No. Koforidua. Into the microphone. Yes, it's pepsin. Your own question. Starch plus water. Starch plus water to give maltose.
Salivary amylase.
Two out of three. Yilo Krobo, fat plus water to give glycerol plus fatty acids.
Lipids.
Yes, that's correct. Kwahu Tafo, peptides plus water to give amino acids.
Peptidase.
Yes, it's peptidase. So, Koforidua, I gave you partial mark because amylase can be found in different places and they'll catalyze the same reaction. So it's not only salivary amylase. So the answer is amylase. That's the enzyme. What is the most suitable indicator? So this is to Akro. What is the most suitable indicator for titrating a strong acid against a strong base?
Methyl orange.
Yes, I'll take it. Koforidua, what is the expected pH at the equivalence point in a strong acid, strong base titration? What is the pH?
7.
Yes, that's correct. Yilo Krobo. What is the best indicator for a weak acid, strong base titration?
Phenolphthalein.
Yes, it's phenolphthalein. Kwahu Tafo. What is the best indicator for a strong acid, weak base titration?
Methyl orange.
Methyl orange is correct. That brings us to the end of round 1.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red now receive now!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red now receive now!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Okay, before we go on to round 2, there's a protest here from Yilo Krobo. Their biology answer on the one type of isolation in species that occur before mating. So they said structural isolation. And their protest is that I should accept it. Okay, so I was speaking to the consultant, and so the term he was looking for was mechanical isolation, and then structural isolation is a broader term that can encapsulate mechanical, but it can also mean other things. So he wants me to give 2 out of 3 for that answer. That means at the end of round 1, the scores are Kwahu Tafo Senior High School, 9 points. Akro Senior High Technical School, 11 points. Yilo Krobo Senior High School, 26 points. Koforidua SHTS, 27 points. Okay, round 2. In round 2, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time, if you believe you have an answer and you are ready with it, you can ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give me, you are the first school that rang your bell and you give a correct answer, you earn 3 points. A second school, because the first answer is incorrect, will earn 2 points if they give a correct answer. A third or fourth attempt at the question will earn 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. Also, if you ring your bell, you give your answer. Don't give any preceding statement, just your answer. Okay, so no delay tactics. Okay, our first question for the speed race. Find the domain of the function f of x equals a fraction with numerator, the expression x minus 2, and the denominator is the square root of the expression x squared plus 1. Yilo Krobo.
X is such that x is a member of all real numbers, where x is where -1 less than x less than +1.
No. Kwahu Tafo. Go ahead. No, sorry. Who rang the bell? Kwahu Tafo, yes.
X is such that x belongs to all real numbers.
Yes. X is a real number. Find our next question. Find the coordinates of the image of the point A with coordinates -4, -5 after a reflection in the point P with coordinates -3, Kwahu Tafo.
The coordinate is -2, 1.
That's correct. So P has coordinates -3, -2. A group of 4 students are selected from 4 girls and 3 boys. Find the probability that the group has 2 boys and 2 girls. Koforidua SHTS.
So it is a fraction with a numerator of 18 and a denominator of 35.
I'll take that. Next time you give me the answer this way, I will not accept it. Don't tell me a fraction with numerator. You can just tell me what a fraction is. When I am reading the question and I tell you a fraction, I don't want you to jump to conclude. So you know it's a fraction, so you should wait for the numerator and the denominator. When you are giving me your answer, if you tell me 18 on 35, I'll understand. Our next question. An organic compound contains 52.2% carbon, 13.0% hydrogen, and 34.8% oxygen. Determine its empirical formula. Kwahu Tafo.
The empirical formula is C2H6O.
That's correct. Determine the molecular formula. Determine the molecular formula of a hydrocarbon, given that 0.050 mole of a hydrocarbon has a mass of 11.4 grams and an empirical formula C4H9. So the molecular formula, okay. Koforidua.
C16H36.
Yes, that's correct. What is the mass? What is the mass of a 0.050 mole sample of 2-butene with an E, 2-butene? Koforidua Sectec.
2.8 by 10 raised to an exponent of 0 grams.
I'm a good person not to accept that answer. I would accept it. So, like I said, when you ring the bell, it means you have an answer. You weren't ready, that's why you said by 10 to the power 0. Our next question. Which enzyme name is abbreviated ACHE? Yes, Kwahu Tafo.
Angiotensin converting enzyme.
No. Who else rang the bell? I said ACHE, acetylcholinesterase. Give the name of the hollow chamber in the innermost part of the kidney. The name of the hollow chamber in the innermost part of the kidney. It's the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis. Which basic taste is perceived at the part of the tongue closest to the epiglottis? The taste which is closest on the tongue, closest to the epiglottis. Oh, you know this, when you taste something, it's sweet when it's at the tip of your tongue. When it goes back, it's bitter. So it's a bitter taste. Okay. Find the voltage gain of a small signal amplifier for which a negative 2 microvolt input yields a 200 microvolt output. Yes, Kwahu Tafo.
Negative 100.
Yes, that's correct. What is the energy of a photon of wavelength 1,600 nanometers as expressed in electron volts? Yes, Kwahu Tafo.
We have the wavelength to be 7.5 nanometers.
No. Anybody else? You rang your bell? Koforidua.
0.78 electron volts.
Yes, it's 0.78. Our last question for the round. Our last question. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of a 4-kilogram particle on which two forces act. A 14 Newton force in the positive x direction and a 10 Newton force.
The acceleration is 1 meter per second squared.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefeel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Radar receiver!
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh, she's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
At the end of the second round, the scores are Akro Senior High Technical School 11 points, Kwahu Tafo Senior High School 21 points, Yilo Krobo Senior High School 25 points, Koforidua Tech 38 points. Before we go on to round 3, we'll make these substitutions. Yilo Krobo Senior High School would like Joshua to come for David, and KTS would like Mordecai Come on for Samuel. Round 3. In this round, each school will be presented with a series of statements. And for each statement that is read out to your school, I want you to indicate if it's true or false. A correct answer will earn you 2 points. An incorrect answer, there's a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can ring for your question. If they answer correctly, they earn 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start from Akro Senior High Technical School. Akro. And this is a preamble to all the schools. The given number is a prime number. The given number is a prime number. Akro. 567.
False.
Yes, it's false. Koforidua Sectec. 657.
False.
Yes, it's false. Yilo Krobo. 897. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kwahu Tafo. 987.
False.
Yes, that's also false. A preamble. A piece of red hot charcoal is placed in a sandbox and completely covered and packed in fine sand, initially at room temperature. A piece of red hot charcoal is placed in a sandbox and completely covered and packed in fine sand, initially at room temperature. Akro. The charcoal loses heat by radiation.
True.
Yes, it's true. Koforidua. The fine sand gains heat by radiation from the piece of charcoal.
False.
No, it's true. Yilo Krobo. No heat transfer by conduction occurs in the sandbox.
False.
Yes, that's false. Kwahu Tafo. The piece of charcoal loses heat by convection.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. Olfactory cells, O-L-F-A-C-T-O-R-Y, cells, they are located. Okay, so olfactory cells are located, Akro, on the floor of the nose.
True.
No, it's false. Koforidua, on the fringes of the nose.
False.
Yes, it's false. Yilo Krobo, close to the roof of the nose. Into the microphone. Yes, it's false. Kwahu Tafo, beneath the roof of the nose.
False.
Yes, that's also false. Akro, 1 mole of carbon dioxide always contains approximately 6.022 by 10 to the power 23 molecules. Into microphone.
True.
Yes, it's true. Koforidua, the mass of 1 mole of any substance in grams is always equal to its molar mass.
True.
Yes, that's true. Yilo Krobo, the number of moles can always be calculated by dividing mass of a substance by its molar mass.
True.
Yes, that's true. Kwahu Tafo, the volume of 1 mole of any gas at STP is approximately 22.4 dm cube.
False.
No, it's true. A preamble. The quadratic formula. Akro is derived by factorization.
False.
Yes, it's false. Koforidua is derived by rationalization.
False.
Yes, it's false. Yilo Krobo is derived by completing the square.
True.
Yes, that is true. Kwahu Tafo always gives real roots.
False.
Yes, that is false. Akro, an electrically neutral particle can interact with another electrically neutral particle gravitationally.
True.
Yes, that's true. Koforidua, an electrically neutral particle can interact with an electrically charged particle gravitationally.
True.
Yes, that's true. Yilo Krobo, 2 electrically charged particles cannot interact with each other gravitationally.
False.
Yes, that is false. Kwahu Tafo, the capacity of an initially electrically neutral body to interact gravitationally diminishes as the net charge on the body increases in magnitude.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. The limbic system of the brain is responsible for. The limbic system of the brain is responsible for. So LYMBIC. Akro, motto elaboration.
True.
No, it's false. Koforidua, memory.
Okay. False.
No, it's true. Yilo Krobo, sorrow.
True.
Yes, that's true. Kwahu Tafo, affection. Affection.
True.
Yes, that's also true. Akro, polyester is an example of a condensation polymer.
True.
Yes, it's true. Koforidua, polyethylene is an example of a condensation polymer. Yes, that's false. Yilo Krobo, nylon is a condensation polymer.
True.
That's true. Kwahu Tafo, proteins are formed through condensation polymerization of amino acids.
True. True.
Yes, that's true. That brings us to the end of round 3. End of round 3, the scores are Akro Senior High Technical School, 21 points. Kwahu Tafo Senior High School, 34 points. Yilo Krobo Senior High School, 41 points. Koforidua Tech, 48 points. Our last round will feature 4 riddles. And you are to solve for the riddles using the clues I read out to you. So at any time, if you have an answer, once again, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give the answer. If your answer is correct on the first clue, you earn 5 points. If it's on the second clue, you earn 4 points. Any clue thereafter is 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You only wait for your turn in the next riddle. So our first riddle, and here are the clues. I am a fundamental quantity that animates all objects, living or otherwise. I am responsible for the agility of a creature or device, great or small. No wonder my name is from the Greek word for activity. I come in many forms, gravitational. Kwahu Tafo.
Energy.
Yes, I am energy. I can be found inside a polygon or a polyhedron. I can also be found in a square matrix. In a polygon, I am Kwahu Tafo.
Diagonal.
Yes, I'm diagonal. It's never too late to get back. I was wondering why the energy and excitement from Kwahu Tafo was coming from, and I remember the goal riddle bonanza in this round. So the school that will solve 3 or 4 riddles correctly will earn some money. If you score 3 riddles, you earn 200 cedis. If you score 4 riddles, you earn 400 cedis. And this goal riddle bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal, Good Energy. Okay. So our next riddle. I am a species that participates in acid-base reactions. I dissociate completely in water.
Strong acid.
No. I accept protons. Yes, Yilo Krobo.
A strong base.
Yes, strong base. Our last riddle. I am a bird of prey. Kwahu Tafo.
We have the ladybug or the lady beetle.
No. Okay, I'll continue. I am part of a group of birds called the falconiforms. I have keen eyesight. Yes.
Eagle.
No. I have keen eyesight, sharp talons, and hooked beak. I am smaller and tend to be more rounded than an eagle. Children are taught rhymes about me in Ghana. Akro.
Hawk.
Yes, I'm the hawk. That brings us to the end of round 4.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP.
At the end of round 4, the scores are Akro Senior High Technical School 24 points, Kwahu Tafo Senior High School 40 points, Yilo Krobo Senior High School 44 points, Koforidua Sector 48 points. Congratulations to Koforidua Secondary Technical School for winning this contest. We'll see you at the next stage of the championship. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC with support from Momo, from MTN and Joy News. I am Thelma Hnieje, your quiz mistress. This is a Primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.